Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about OneNetbook T1. So friend, OneNetbook will launch its newest creation of OneNetbook T1, a high-performance 3-in-1 tablet utilizing the Intel 12th generation Alder 1260p and using Windows 11 on the website. And it will be available at the super early bird price starting from $599 and friend, Intel's 12th generation Alder processor will deliver a significant leap in performance, and it is the first tablet system powered by the Intel 12th generation Alder 1260p processor and includes next generation DDR5 memory. And friend, it is built for gaming on the go, but it can also match the multitasking capabilities of the workhorse system to complete tasks such as streaming or content creation. And it has screen of 2160 into 1440 resolution and comes with 13-inch IPS EDP panel. And friend, I/O ports include USB Type-C, USB 3.2, audio port, HDMI and TF card. And friend, the network includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.